Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna salad with fresh tuna. First, choose 2 fresh tuna steaks, each around 6 ounces, for optimal flavor. Heat a skillet with a tablespoon of olive oil over medium-high heat. Sear the tuna for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, aiming for a medium-rare center. Once cooled slightly, use a fork to gently flake the tuna into a mixing bowl, ensuring no large chunks remain. Now, let's create that delicious, creamy dressing. In a separate small bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of your favorite mayonnaise with 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. This combination provides a perfect balance of richness and tang. Next, fold in 1/4 cup each of finely diced celery and red onion for a delightful crunch and subtle sharpness. Finally, stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley or dill to brighten the flavors. It's time to season your masterpiece. Add salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, along with a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice to enhance all the flavors. Gently mix everything until well combined. For the best results, cover the bowl and refrigerate the tuna salad for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve your fresh tuna salad on toasted sourdough, in crisp lettuce cups, or with your favorite crackers. Here are a few pro tips to elevate your tuna salad. For an extra burst of briny flavor, try adding a tablespoon of capers or finely chopped dill pickles. You can also experiment with different herbs like chives or tarragon. Store any leftover tuna salad in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade fresh tuna salad.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.